Are you looking for the TOP5 Best Commercial Vacuum Sealer Machine? In this video, we will look at some of the TOP5 Best Commercial Vacuum Sealer Machine on the market. For more details and price, click product link, please check the description below. Before we get started with our video, number 1. Weston Pro 2300 Commercial Stainless Steel Vacuum Sealer. If you're searching for a state-of-the-art vacuum sealer, the Weston Pro 2300 is one to check out. Constructed with strong stainless steel, the powerful device transmits up to 935 watts to its 28-inch pump. With this strength, it ensures that not even the smallest trace of moisture is left or sneaks through. This can be especially useful if you need to seal oily food, which can sometimes make the bag's edges slip. This adaptable device works with bags of all sizes, including up to 15-inch ones. With this adaptability, you can secure tricky items, including whole fish. To confirm that the bags are evenly sealed, you can peer into the machine's transparent lid. This will also help you keep an eye on how well the item is being sealed and whether you need to adjust the settings. You can also monitor the process by watching the front LED light progress bar. In addition to the bright progress bar, you'll notice 3 other colorful buttons on the front. These allow you to start, manually seal, and stop the machine. These one-touch operations are straightforward, making it a great option for beginners. As the machine runs, its heavy-duty fan will automatically twirl. As you continue to use the sealer, the fan will release cool air around the motor so that it doesn't overheat. For extra protection, you'll also find a 10-amp bus fuse along the side, which works as a circuit breaker. You can alter this fuse as necessary. Keep in mind, though, that you'll need to purchase sealer bags before using the Weston Pro 2300. The company does offer some you can purchase separately, including 6-inch and H12-inch ones. You can also use non-brand packs, but they might not fit as well. When you're done with your Weston vacuum sealer, simply detach its power cord and store it into the back compartment. Number 2. PrimalTek 12 Commercial Grade Vacuum Sealer. At first glance, you wouldn't necessarily think this device was a vacuum sealer, but on closer inspection, you'll discover that behind this slightly bulky facade is a remarkable machine. While it might look intimidating to some, this option by PrimalTek is surprisingly user-friendly, and its features amplify this. The PrimalTek sealer is equipped with a plethora of great features, but perhaps one of its most helpful is its bag positioning guides. By securing the vacuum bag within these guides, it keeps them in the correct alignment. As the bags roll through the machine, its 28-inch vacuum quickly works to remove moisture. This keeps your food fresher for longer periods of time. You'll also notice that the appliance is equipped with a double seal bar. This monitors the heat around the seal to make sure it's properly closed. Another perk of this machine is its clear lid, allowing you to closely watch the sealing compartment. While this might seem unnecessary, it can be quite helpful if you'd like to observe the process. If you need to adjust something, simply press one of the many functions on the sealer's lid. Some you'll find include marinate, pulse, and seal only. If you'd like to cancel the job, simply touch the cancel button situated on its right side. To prevent the appliance from overheating, there's an auto-cooling system. This will keep the motor cool so you can seal items for as long as necessary. There's also a progress bar stretched across the top. This measurer will slowly light up in orange to show you how much longer the process will take. On average, this will take about 30 seconds to a minute depending on the item size. Once you're done, you can secure the cord inside its storage chamber. There's also a place to store your vacuum sealer roll. Number 3. Avid Armor A420 Vacuum Sealer Machine. Avid Armor is renowned throughout the food appliance industry for its high-quality vacuum sealers. One commercial model of its that's particularly enticing is the A420. Built with a 12-inch bar and 3mm seal wire, this compact machine is made to work hard. It uses a double piston pump that runs on 230 watts, a remarkable amount that quickly removes air. Thanks to this impressive suction, the model helps protect food up to 5 times better than many similar models. The lid contains a digital screen allowing you to effortlessly monitor and adjust settings. There's also a pressure dial on the left side, so you can check the current airflow. For safety, a cooling fan is embedded near the motor. There are 4 functions built into the A420: pulse, seal, marinate, and canister. After you choose one, you can then pick more specific details. These include dry, moist, gentle, and normal. With these, you can make sure that the sealer properly encloses your food. For extra protection, the Avid Armor A420 will double seal the bags. Inside, you'll find a roll storage container. This can hold a 25-foot roll. The machine does come with a material roll when you purchase it. To aid you in trimming the plastic, there's a cutter that you can use to slice it to your desired measurements. The Avid Armor A420's lid features a sturdy handle that's easy to lift up and down. The lid features a locking mechanism that makes sure that once inserted, the bag stays in place so you don't have to manually feed and align it. While this model might seem like a replica of Avid Armor's A100 model, there are a few minor differences, but perhaps one of the most noticeable is its weight. At 11.5 pounds, it's significantly lighter, making it ideal for those who plan to move this device around often. Number 4. WeVac CV12 Vacuum Sealer. WeVac has been in the vacuum sealing business for over 15 years, and their products certainly show this expertise. Their CV12 model is extremely versatile, but it's mainly designed to preserve oily foods and liquids like meats and sauces. How is this done? Simply with its innovative double seal wires that form a strong bond between the bag's edges. However, you need to make sure the piece is properly aligned inside. Otherwise, it might not seal correctly. Unlike many commercial sealers, this option is square rather than rectangular. It measures 14.5 x 18.1 inches and can hold bags as large as 11 x 16 inches. It features a deep interior chamber, 12.2 x 13 x 3.9 inches, that holds the food as it gets sealed. Thanks to the model's transparent chamber lid, you can peek in to watch the process. As you get to know the appliance, you'll find it's built with a plethora of fantastic settings. One is its Smart Vac option. If you don't want to manually adjust the vacuum, you can use this. All you have to do is press a button that tells the machine the bag size. There are also marinate and seal functions. Once you activate the sealer, its dry piston pump will get to work absorbing air. WeVac's clever vacuum pump makes sure that all moisture is gone, so that nothing leaks out and there is no chance of freezer burn. While the CV12 is quite durable, there are a few things to remember. One is that the chamber does need to be wiped out occasionally. By doing so, it keeps the piece strong and prevents future bags from getting left behind gunk on them. It's also somewhat heavy, 36 pounds, so you can always move it around to different areas. Overall, if you're looking for a well-made and stylish commercial vacuum, this is one to definitely check out. Number 5. HomeMarvel Commercial Sealer. On the outside, the HomeMarvel sealer seems like any other commercial vacuum sealer, but on further inspection, you'll find that this compact machine provides a surprising array of features. The sealer features a solid silver aluminum casing with black accents. Across the center of the lid is the device's easy-to-access functions. These include settings such as dry/moist food, pulse vacuum seal, can, and seal only. Along the outer edge you'll find 3 buttons: loose, stand, and tight, ranging from 75 to 85 kPa. With these, you tell the vacuum pump how tightly or loosely you'd like the machine to seal bags. While it's no surprise that this device seals items, what might amaze you is the sealer's inflating ability. Simply open the machine, flip its strip trap, secure the lid, and slide the bag's outer edge into its strip so that it aligns with the machine's tiny air hole. The sealer will gently fill the bag with just the right amount of air. This makes it a perfect choice if you'd like to make potato chip packs. This appliance has a 13.8-inch heat sealing strip that measures 4 mm wide. With this span, you can easily seal up to 3 bags at once. To help you know when to begin the sealing process, an LED light will flash across the top. When it stops flickering, you can safely start the task. If you need to cut the bag, HomeMarvel has you covered. With its interior slicer, it expertly cuts the material. To access it, raise the lid. Make sure to firmly press it back down when you're done though so it locks in place. HomeMarvel sealer can be used up to 100 times before it needs a quick 5-minute break. Once it has rested, you can get back to work.